Oh, here he comes. Oh God. Oh my goodness! Look at its feet. Oh.
Aw, that's all I wanted to do.
Like Lambo's tail. No.
Oh, here he comes.
Oh, Ricky. Oh, he looks like he got scared.
Did you get scared?
He got scared, didn't
You did? Oh, it's not going to eat you, honey. There's glass there. Rylan. Rylan, what is that?
Rylan.
Oh, is it bear?
He's kissing the glass. Ew.
Get him. Get him. Where he comes.
Oh no. It's
You just thought you were gonna run away.
He's all, yeah, that kid looks delicious.
There's another bear over there, I guess. Oh.
Oh, it's sleeping over there. Where's it going?